G'day everyone, thanks for dropping by. My name's Annette. In this video I'm testing out my own resin white paste I made. It's made with a slightly thicker Part A resin and I want to see how it goes with making ocean waves on a larger ocean scene. I had some leftover resins from making my smaller scene that was in the previous video, so I decided to use those leftover resins to get started on a bigger effort and see how I go. Hey guys, this is just a board I have that I've taken outside and just quickly spray painted a little. I'm just doing quick test with the whites that I made. Had some leftover resin, that's why I'm here. I'm putting my mask back on. The resin's already mixed up. It's just resin ocean coat. I might quickly just put in a little bit of sand colour there.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down.
This layer has cured. For now, I'm just fixing up this foreshore in case I do want to keep this. Where I've put that texture area, I won't show you every single bit, but this is me, what I do. Other people do lots of different things, of course. What have I got there? Raw umber. And I'm just doing like a sandstone colour.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind.
And then I'll go to burnt sienna and raw sienna. And then lastly, I usually put a bit of carbon black.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Wow, look at those cells. And I haven't used the butane. They've just come up on their own. What I was trying to do this time was not put heat on first and put the white on as well, which I did forget to tell you, just to see what would happen. That is amazing. We are on to the final wave layer, and it's looking quite good at the moment. I want to see how the paste I made goes. It's made up pretty similar to my thinner one that I used on the second line, but it's in a slightly thicker part 8 resins. If you put something down and you hate it, just spray it with some isopropyl alcohol and wipe it off. It doesn't matter if it looks a bit matte or anything. When you put the next layer on, it'll go shiny anyways.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
I'm just going to put the top coat on. I can feel it's just a little bit tacky on the sides. I'm not going to touch the top, but I think it looks really good. There was a little bit of white left over, so about 2 hours later after I did this, I just, oh, you can still see it on there. I just dipped that in a little bit and drew in a better definition along here. And there, and a little bit there. And I also just dragged it a little bit through the water. I didn't record it, I'd actually forgot. I'm going to mix up a tabletop epoxy. The one I'm using is Art Co tabletop epoxy 1:1 resin. I'll probably only put the clear coat on maybe even up to that wave. I'll try to. Sometimes it falls forward and you can't help it. I'll get my mask on and the rest of my PPE and I'll be back.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around.
Well, that worked beautifully, I think. What do you reckon? I'm so happy to be able to make my own paste, either for an ocean wave or the thinner paste I made for my blooms. I just need more practice with the blooms. I think this turned out absolutely gorgeous. My next experiments with my white paste, the thicker one, to make waves. I'll try different resin brands as I've become quite sensitive to the one that I am used to using. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day and bye for now.